Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who values precision in your brow routine, you're in the right place. Today, I'm reviewing the L'Oreal Paris Makeup Brow Stylist Definer Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil, specifically in the shade Brunette. Let's get into whether this pencil lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the product itself. The Brow Stylist Definer is an ultra-fine, self-sharpening mechanical pencil designed to give you the most natural-looking brows. It's all about precision, drawing tiny brow hairs to fill in sparse areas and gaps. It also comes with a spoolie brush on the other end, making it easier to style and define your brow shape. What's fantastic about this pencil is that it's waterproof, meaning it stays in place throughout the day, no smudging or fading. It's ophthalmologist-tested, so it's safe for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. For anyone with those concerns, this feature is a huge plus. Now, I put this pencil to the test by using it in my everyday routine. I found it to be extremely easy to work with, especially for someone who doesn't have the thickest brows. The fine tip allows for really detailed strokes, and the spoolie helped blend everything together seamlessly. The formula didn't feel heavy, and I really liked how it stayed put all day. I even wore it through a rainy afternoon and was impressed that it didn't budge. But it's not all perfect. The pencil is quite small, only 0.003 ounces. So if you're someone who uses brow pencil regularly, you might find yourself running out quickly. Also, while the formula is great for a natural look, it might not offer the fullness that some people with fuller brows might want. So depending on your preferences, it may take a little more time to build up the shape you want. Now, let's talk about the price. At around $8 for a pack of 2, you're getting good value for money. The quality of the pencil is solid for its price point, and when you factor in the 2 pencils in the pack, it feels like a fair deal. If you're comparing this to other brow pencils out there, it's worth mentioning that it's a more affordable option than some high-end brow products. However, if you're willing to invest more for a thicker pencil or a fuller look, there are pricier alternatives that might be more suited to your needs. The packaging is pretty simple, but it's sturdy enough to withstand being tossed into a makeup bag. As for longevity, it holds up well throughout the day, but keep in mind that the pencil is small, so it's not going to last as long as some bulkier brow products. Customer service-wise, L'Oreal's reputation is solid, and though I haven't personally had to deal with them directly, their general feedback online is positive. They've got a reliable track record for customer support. So, is this pencil worth it? If you're looking for a precise, waterproof pencil that works well for filling in sparse areas without looking too bold, this is a great option. It's best for those who want a natural brow look, and it's particularly good for those with sensitive eyes. If you're after a more dramatic brow or a longer-lasting pencil, you might need to look elsewhere. If this review helped you make a decision, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest reviews like this. And if you've tried this product already, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.